Hello everyone. Today I will introduce to you a Swiss electric baler, OR-t260. First, let's take a look at the unboxing of this machine. Body, random kit, product manual, battery, charger. This electric baler is suitable for PP and PET plastic steel belts. Applicable bandwidth is 13到16毫米. Belt thickness is 0.5到1.2毫米. The maximum tightening force can reach 2500 N. Fast charging time 15到30分钟 Use. Suitable for many industries, such as brick factory, aluminum factory, stone, etc. Let me show you a packing operation of this packing machine. After the items are bundled, the portable baler snaps the strap into the cassette slot. The machine has fully automatic, semi-automatic and manual modes. Now we use semi-automatic mode. Press PE to pack. When the screen beeps, a green light is displayed. Lifting rod. Move right out of the baler. Tape complete.